About this item compatibility list, AMANU USB-C to iPhone cable supports PD Fast Charge 3A, Max, for iPhone 14 14 Pro/14 Pro Max/14 Plus/iPhone 13 13 Pro/13 Pro Max/13 Mini/iPhone 12 12 Mini/12 Pro/12 Pro Max/11 Pro/11 Pro Max/XS Max/XS/XR/X/8 Plus/8 and iPad 8 iPad 2020 iPad Pro 12.9 Gen 1/Gen 2/iPad Pro 10.5/iPad Air 3 10.5/iPad Mini 5 7.9. This cable also supports the standard charge for iPhone 7 Plus/7/6 Plus/6/6s Plus/6s etc. Note: you need a USB-C port wall charger to achieve fast charging power delivery. Fast charging. The USB to iPhone charger cord supports a rapid charge up to 3A, max. It also supports data transfer rates up to 480 Mbps. Note: you need a USB-C port wall charger to match it, including 18W, 20W, 30W, 60W, or 87W USB-C power adapter. Nylon tangle-free design. AMANU's USB-C iPhone charging cord includes built-in overvoltage protection and is tested for up 10,000 bends, making it more durable. Heat-resistant connector and premium nylon braided ensure